All right, this big breaking news coming in on the India-China confrontation, which is taking place right now. In fact, we have exclusive conversation. My colleague Gaurav Sawant, who in fact spoke to Union Minister of Road Transport and Highway, General V.K. Singh. But remember, General V.K. Singh, former army chief, in very harsh words has warned China. He has said that strategic roads along the LAC that needs to be sped up. In fact, he also went and said China is under pressure globally due to coronavirus, and that is why they are trying to pull this stunt. Prime Minister Modi and the government is monitoring the situation very, very closely. Let's listen in to this conversation Gaurav Sawant had with V.K. Singh.
Roads were India's Achilles heel. Now that this 255-kilometer Shok Road, the DVO Shok Road is up, is that making, is that making China uncomfortable?
No, I don't think so. The road has been in the making for quite some time. It goes all along the river and then takes a turn and goes towards DB. Earlier there was a thought that we should go over the Remo group of glaciers, but that is a more difficult task because glacier keeps moving. You can't make a road over a glacier. How do you tunnel through the glacier? These are very technical issues. So the road perforce has taken a longer route. I don't think that is the issue at all. I think what is being tried out by China is posturing, and posturing to divert attention. See, China today has got notoriety because of COVID, because of Corona, because of Wuhan. Everybody seems to be blaming China, despite whatever they are saying. So my feeling is they would like to divert attention. They would also like to divert attention from South China Sea. They would like to divert attention from all the trade problems that they are having. So what better thing can be done than to bring up a nationalistic issue? Oh, our borders are unsafe. Oh, India is encroaching into our territory. We are not.
Let me go across to Senior Executive Editor, India Today, Gaurav Sawant, who got us this exclusive conversation. Gaurav, what General V.K. Singh said in quite uncertain terms, should that be summed up as the thinking of the government of India, eyeball to eyeball? But whatever, if China wants to escalate, India is not ready to even back down an inch of this misadventure.
Ankit, you're absolutely right. India is not intimidated by China. That's point one. Point two, troop for troop, number for number, India is matching the dragon at the line of actual control. And number three, India now has tremendous experience in dealing with these tactics adopted by China. You know, from 2010 to 2020, you've had incidents in Chumar, in Depsang, in Doklam, in Pengongso, and many other minor skirmishes that have taken place along the line of actual control. India knows how China behaves. India effectively has countered it in the past and is better in a better position today, both in terms of men and material all along the line of actual control. But India wants peace at the line of control. That's principle that's coming from top sources within the government. We want peace, but from a position of strength.
Gaurav Sawant got us that exclusive interaction. Don't forget to take a look at this entire conversation at 10 o'clock when Gaurav brings you India First. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.